an energetic process to assist your body in repairing, recalibrating, healing, opening, and aligning its receptors, its ability to receive, to heal, to receive creative energies, inspiration, motivation, healing currents. We invite you, Soul Rider, to take a deep breath in, to pull your energy and awareness into your divine line. We invite your higher self, your body, David's higher self in teams, to work with the energetic fields and the guides, to reference the world, the dimension where your body can hold its energy and awareness, where it has the ability to receive appropriate sounds, frequencies, and light that help it open, heal, repair, realign all of its energetic receptors within its etheric fields, within its endocrine system, central nervous system, meridians, glands, cells. Just take a moment to hold space as some energetic aspect of your body references this other world, this other planet, holds its energy and awareness in the appropriate dimension. Embody, David, using your higher self, your energetic fields in that world. Invite your higher self, body, to tune in to the appropriate sounds, light, vibrations, and perhaps colors that are of this world, that are otherworldly, that have the ability to help you repair, open, heal, balance, strengthen, align all of your receptors. And just hold space for your body to use its higher self to repair every single receptor in its etheric fields. Good. And as your body repairs its etheric receptors galactically, using galactic sound, otherworldly sound, light, colors, vibrational, like energetic aromas, perhaps. There we go. Just keep holding space to repair the receptors. Think of the idea that body pain is closed receptors. Body is using its energetic fields in this other world to open, to use galactic frequencies to heal, open. There we go. Good, good, good. Recalibrate all of its receptors. And then as it heals its galactic receptors, body then ripples and reflects those open galactic receptors in its etheric field, because body is a hybrid, part earth, part galactic. So it has galactic receptors. As it opens its galactic receptors, it ripples and reflects that to its earthly receptors. And then inviting body, David, using its higher self, its energetic fields to reference the appropriate dimension on this planet to receive the appropriate frequencies, colors, light, vibrations, sounds that help it heal, open, clean, align its earthly receptors. And then as we open the receptors, we always need to bring in greater protection in a healthy, co-creative way. And so inviting your body, David, and you, Soul Rider, and your teams to craft an appropriate galactic shield, protection, boundaries around yourselves. But it's your galactic shields using galactic frequencies, galactic codes, color, light, sound. There we go. Good. And then as you do it galactically, then invite your higher self, you, Soul Rider, your body, your teams, in the dimensions where you express yourself here in this world to weave appropriate vibrational grids, shields, protection, boundaries around yourself that work in this world. So you've got your galactic shields, you have your earth shields, always two. And breathe. And allow for the ripple, the reflection. And updating your grids. All your reference points, holding your awareness in your line. Letting that integrate. Good.